Hey everyone! Welcome back to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and offer a lead magnet on Wix.com to help you grow your email list and get more potential customers for your business. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important steps. What is a lead magnet? First, let's quickly understand what a lead magnet is. A lead magnet is a free resource you give away in exchange for someone's email address or contact information. This could be a free ebook, a checklist, a discount code, or any valuable piece of content your audience wants. Why use a lead magnet on Wix? Using a lead magnet on your Wix website is a powerful way to turn visitors into subscribers and potential customers. Wix makes it simple to set up sign-up forms, deliver your free resource automatically, and manage your email list all in one place. Step 1. Create your lead magnet. The first step is to create your lead magnet. Think about what your audience needs the most. It should solve a small problem or provide quick value. You can create a simple PDF using tools like Canva, Google Docs, or even Microsoft Word. Once you're done, download it as a PDF and keep it ready to upload. Step 2. Add a form to your website. Next, log into your Wix account and open your website editor. Go to the page where you want to capture leads, usually your homepage or a dedicated landing page. Add a Wix form. You can find it under the Add section. Choose a sign-up form and customize the fields. Make sure to collect at least the visitor's name and email address. Step 3. Connect your form to email marketing. Now, connect your form to Wix's built-in email marketing or any email tool you're using. This way, when someone signs up, their information goes straight to your contact list. You can also set up an automated email that sends your lead magnet to new subscribers as soon as they sign up. Step 4. Upload and link your lead magnet. Upload your lead magnet file to Wix. Go to your site files and upload your PDF. Copy the link to that file. Then, in your automated email, paste the link so people can download the free resource instantly. Step 5. Publish and promote. Finally, publish your changes and promote your lead magnet. Add a catchy headline to your sign-up section so visitors know exactly what they're getting. Share your landing page link on social media, in your blog posts, or anywhere your audience hangs out. And that's it! You just learned how to get a lead magnet on Wix.com to attract more subscribers and grow your business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Mastery for more easy tutorials like this. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching.